manage this machine, how to print on it. So this is a power button. Here is it. Most of these machines similar like this, you always find the power button around. You make sure that the power cable is plugged behind here.
I'll continue.
So you plug the power cable here, and then you turn on your machine. Now, when you're printing, there are tendencies if there's low voltage, if the paper is not good, it might jam, right? So how do you open the machine to remove jam papers? This is a bottle here, right? So you press on it and then you open gently, and then you place your 2 hands on. This is what they call the cartridge. You gently remove it, right? You use a little bit of force. I've removed it, and then you can lift up this small iron here, then take off the paper that has jammed on the machine. Then look at this part, has to enter here. There's a small part here, so you place it carefully, make sure that they are even, and then are you seeing that noise? It has to make it. If you don't put it very well, it's not going to close. But it has not closed because I have not put it very well. One side is up and then the other side entered block. So I'm going to block that. I hope you get it. You open this tray to put papers. You put papers here. If you want to print stamps, you use bypass. You could also use this one, but you have to select it on the machine. Now, sometimes when you're printing stamps, it might likely jam behind here. So there's a possibility for you to open this one. You can open this one. You likely open it and then pull off the paper. You carefully pull off the paper that has jams here. If not, it will destroy the machine. So you have to be careful. Carefully pull out the paper and then you close it back. So that's it. Then you have the place where you connect the printer cable. Where is it? So you connect the printer cable around here. The printer cable is connected to this other machine. So we'll leave from this machine and come to this other machine. This is the color small machine. So you place the printer cable here. This is a printer cable. You can connect it here. Look at the edges. If you remove it and check it, you see. And then the power cable is this way. This is it. You can connect the power cable this way. Now, you can mostly send commands on this machine. I want to show you how to photocopy with this machine. Let's say you want to photocopy. Remember, your papers have to be placed here, right? And ensure that the edges align right, like they fit directly. It should not be, there should not be allowances like that. No, it has to fit. Make sure that these 2 edges, they fit very well, but it should not squeeze the paper exactly like that. So I want to photocopy. I'll lift up this part. There's already a paper there. I want to photocopy. I'm going to place, you don't push the paper to this direction. No, it has to be at this edge rather, right? If I want to photocopy this document color, I'm going to press, this is color. You can just press color, right? And then you can also choose the number of copies. You can increase the number of copies. Your icing is changing. If you want to cancel the number of copies, you can cancel it there. So you can cancel the command here. You choose color here. If you want to print color, you choose here. If you want to print black, you press this button here. You want to cancel the command, you press this button here. So the most buttons that you frequently use is the color, black and white, and cancel, and then the power button. These other ones you hardly use it. Now sometimes papers can jam on this machine. How do you remove paper jam? Where she go? Please, how do you remove paper jam? You can remove paper jam by almost for failure. Open that this insert. Let's check the. Remove this paper. It's okay. So this one, look at it very well, right? Look at it properly. You lift it up a little bit. You see the paper jam, and you likely see it here. You carefully remove it, right? Leave it set, and then when you are done, you bring it down. Careful, don't force it. It has to go down gently on its own, and you are holding it. You lift it up a little bit and you close it. Then papers come out here. So that's how you can print on this machine. I showed you how to photocopy. If you want to photocopy color, you just place your paper at this position, and then you press color. This is the color button. You press it. It's going to scan it. Look at it's scanning, right? It's going to scan. That's it, scanning the document. I'm going to cancel the command. Right, it's supposed to scan. When you are scanning, you don't open the machine, you're supposed to close it. I just wanted to show you that it's scanning. That's how you go about printing and photocopying on this tiny machine.